Good morning everybody, hope everyone is well, and today is another day working on the T4, and today I've got the crew helping. My job of today is, on one of our previous videos you probably saw that the hose had split, so I have ordered some new Samco hoses, which I am going to cut this down because I only really need the leg, but obviously it's going to be a lot more stronger and stable for the job. I do need to, if I just underneath and show you, so I do need to adjust all this. I've loosened it all off so that I can now get that hose on nice and straight, and then I can then adjust all the necessary bolts and everything at the top, space them out if I need be. And as for the children, well, we're keeping them busy as well. So yeah, as you previously saw, I did fit this new seal, which has all been primed and everything else, and today I've got the children doing some wet drying, smoothing it all out. Yeah, they got to earn their pocket money, haven't you kids? Yeah, so there we go. So yeah, it's a bit of an update really. Now I need to get all this cooling system up and running. Another useful thing is this box right here, which is bolted or screwed onto the front stand panel, so literally right behind the passenger rear light. These are the fuses for the fans. Now this was bodged with just a wire going over, wasn't really connecting, so the fans weren't really running. So do check these. The fuses are cheap from Just Campers. Yeah, I couldn't recommend it enough. Do check these. That's all I can say. Get them checked if needed. Buy spares, keep them in the glove box. So that is all done now as well. So yeah, just a short one for you today. But I'll get all this all buttoned up, get it running, and I'll get back to you soon. Bye bye.